Just understand, everybody, before you watch this video, I'm ranting a little bit. But you're going to learn about some microphones and little adapters and things you never thought of in life because there is no book on being an adult. Okay, we are figuring out our life. Why? 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 Okay, everybody, life tip. I've been dinking around for the last hour and a half trying to figure out microphones for all the different little cameras I have, trying to figure out focusing on cameras. Because on Monday, which was 3 days ago, I did a video like I usually do. See? Like this, they don't teach you when you grow up. But I did a video. Took me a good hour, hour and a half, and it's all trash. It's all trash. I mean, I had 2 cameras set up. One had the wrong setting, so it's orange, but it has really good video. The other camera kept refocusing and unfocusing, but it had really good audio. I cleaned it off. I cleaned all my boards off. 1, 2, 3, 4 boards. And just, I can't pick either one of them. And I can't piece them together. It's too much work. So it's like, what do you do? So I have been researching what I can use for my existing cameras because I don't feel like buying another camera or another microphone. But here's a tip for everybody. If you have a camera, and chances are you do, whether it's a cell phone, a point and shoot camera, a digital single lens reflex type stuff, whatever microphone you want to buy for it, make sure it works. Because I have a wireless microphone for this camera. You can see it right there. And it worked great on this camera. It does not work great on my big camera, which takes awesome video. 4K, baby. So, there's no reason why. It just doesn't. Recording audio through headset. Well, that's cool. Okay? That's really, really cool. Are you going to work with this guy? Because I'd really like you to. Okay? Peanut butter guy. I have a microphone for the big camera, but when you put it on the camera, you can hear the camera refocusing because it has a big lens with motors in the lens, and every time it refocuses, it's just grr, 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 grr. So deal with that stuff. So life tip, when you try to make videos, make sure you get an external microphone and it works for your camera. Plug in. Nothing. Really? You jerkwad. Now I know. Ah. If you have more than one camera, chances are you may need another microphone. When in doubt, buy the most expensive one you can get, because you're going to buy a little cheap POS that's going to move back and forth, and it's going to be loose, or it's going to make these mystery noises. I had another microphone. It made mystery noises. I couldn't use it at all. And it's like, little life tip on how to be an adult. So good luck, everybody out there trying to be an adult, because it sucks. Nobody teaches you anything. No, you can't. There's no book on it. It's just there. Hi, everybody. Oh my God. Just figured it out. So I have this little lapel microphone, and it also has a little, but this is the microphone. The other part you can't see is hooked up to this cell phone, and it works fine. It works fine. I've always had an adapter like this in it, except not this one. It's the one I use for my square reader when the wife and I are out doing art stuff. But this one came with it because I have a case around my phone you can't see, and the regular hooking dilly does not fit in there unless you have a little extension piece. I didn't know it came with an extension piece, so I was trying it out, and the audio was garbage. And now I found out that this little piece that hooks into your phone, and then it gives you room for the receiver to hook into the back end of it. This doesn't work. The one I bought does. The one that came with it does not. So, life lesson again: don't trust anything. Do a lot of tests. See what the audio sounds like before, after, and during. But anyways, everybody out there in TV land or YouTube land, hope you learned a little bit about microphones, cameras, all that. I mean, it's not going to be a lot. You won't learn a lot, but frick. Okay, well, thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time. Sorry I was ranting and angry, and I wasn't angry at you. I'm not angry. I'm not angry at you. I'm not angry at you. Anyways, bye.